Say that again.
Coke.
What?
Soup.
What's it?
Yeah, do it.
Describe it.
Soup that you determine about the girl is virgin or not.
Yeah.
Is ordering by food or soup like this. Soup, small hole soup. It's virgin. If the two child now order Coke, my whole now. You get 10 child or 10 son?
10 sons.
T! Wide! Speaking wide! Holy cow!
T.
T! Wide!